Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I must start with today's news. So Odegaard will be Arsenal captain. Don't come and talk about the match where Arsenal will play against Everton. It gets by March 1st. So now Baba they talk. So we call the talk say this match, they say all Arsenal players they very upset, like they want revenge that loss when they lose against Everton for Goodison Park. Where Everton use one kind of physicality to scatter them, run them riots. So now Everton is coming to the Emirates Stadium, which is our hometown, our fortress. So we don't hope say for this place we go do the way they do us, we go run them riots, like make sure say we knock them, because this is our outstanding match. So we must make sure we collect our 3 points. So let's just say everything goes. Away from that, so Paul Merson come and say the talk say this sure say starting Trossard as a false 9 say he walk say because go dey surprise say this match won't play against Everton if Arsenal no play Edin Ketia. Say go dey very surprised. Say go like when they play the guy, because now we say don't rest him, then Trossard and Martinelli can start off from, can do that false 9 level. So now if we say that match don't go, now Edin Ketia go don't do recharge. So you go expect me Edin Ketia come back to the first 11. So I don't know whether I want to subscribe to that line of thought. I don't like how that false 9 work in our favor. We created so many chances. Chances were going begging again, and just the final pass when they miss. And if you say offside and maybe infringements, Ben White on their keeper, so for don't win like 3-0, 4-0. So I don't know what to think about it. For Messi, they talk about bringing back Edin Ketia to the number 9 again. For me, I would have said we will start the same way we start against our last match against Leicester, playing Trossard still as the first time, because Trossard get this bite. So we say if he dribble back, create your chance for himself, wipe him. Now something like that, Edin Ketia never do. Edin Ketia is a very good player, he's a poacher. If they give him a chance, they usually score. But this thing where Trossard they do, now some of the similarities of the things where Gabriel Jesus they do also. If you go for the middle of the park, drag players, dribble them, quick feet, and the guy knows left and right, so you don't know where anyone go. You know, so it's good with his left, it's good with his right. So that's what I'm expecting. Well, let me know your thoughts on the comment section. Away from that too, so Terry Henry come and say they talk say Arsenal need to keep dreaming. You get say they fit do am this season. You get say at that time say they go fit win this season. And the way things they go now, a lot of people there of the opinion say that Man City then go win the league for this season. So Henry come talk say even when Leicester won the league, none of those Leicester players get the winning mentality, like that experience of winning league title or something. You get, so nobody expected them to go all the way, and they went all the way and won it. So this time around, one of the arguments people they give against Arsenal are the fact say they don't have the experience, they lack the sheer will, like they don't know how to chase or be chased. They don't have that experience. This Man City, they know what it takes to chase somebody down, and they know what it takes to be chased. They have the experience to go all the way down the wire. But we now, in their mind though, we don't get that experience. But this season, we let them know say sometimes not be by experience, and the sheer will and determination and the desire to succeed. Now they push us again. So let's just see how this drama unfolds. Now Kivio and Emil Smith-Rowe don't play for Arsenal under 21 yesterday night to regain their fitness. So are they very happy? They don't integrate that Kivio small. Because many people don't they ask say should be Arsenal sign this Kivio. What's going to happen and why they never play him? The guy will bring from Spezia, if you don't forget. So well, the guy will they try to integrate, and that's why they talk about adaptation. You get integration, you get blending. Now be all those things. You get, if to say the guy now for EPL in day 9 day build up, you get the can't sign up. If I don't play, you get, that's what I'm talking about. So Emil Smith-Rowe, remember I said the guy get injury, do his surgery, ground surgery, won't go one kind of tie injury again, don't come back. So now they integrate and gradually maybe play with under 21. Even at the yesterday, Gabriel Jesus may likely play with the under 21s, going to rebuild in fitness. After they don't build up, then maybe we'll go sit down for bench. That's what I'm expecting. Well, we'll just watch out. So away from that, so Arsenal don't join Liverpool for those who want to sign Nico Williams of Atletico Bilbao. Nico Williams don't score 7 goals and make 6 assists in 27 games. So these are what is at stake. So I don't know how it could be. Whether Arsenal will really get this guy, I don't really know. We'll just watch now. We'll see how the drama will be, because the guy at 20-year-old is playing very well. But when we say we want to sign players, is he the kind of player I want to sign? Again, why is he leaving Atletico Bilbao? I don't even know. I don't even watch him play. Maybe I will check YouTube, man, see whether I will really go for him, or I will just link to the player. When time reach, I will let you know. Maybe by evening, I will come give you a feedback on what I find. At the same time, Tony Cascarino come outside to talk about Gabriel Magalhaes. Come to say for your own opinion, say Gabriel Magalhaes really gets all the accolades wey he deserve based on the way they play for Arsenal. Say many people they give Saliba all the accolades and they praise Saliba, but they know they praise him, forgetting that he's one of those that is doing the dirty job for Arsenal. So what if Baba no understand? Be say Arsenal know they appreciate Gabriel Magalhaes, but he makes more errors than more times. Get in error when they make Saliba, they make error, but in own error, you know, both positional errors, both in level of aggression when they bring to the game, they affect in mental judgment. You get in mental health. Sometimes they affected, because if you watch the way Arsenal play now, only Gabriel Magalhaes now opposition attackers they always target. Why? They know say emotionally up there is not sound. You get Chena Saliba won't go to wind up. You can't wind up Saliba now. Saliba know the smile is zero joy. You know the smile. So what you want to go down? We just they look you like that in the year to play in game and go home. But Gabriel Magalhaes, if it not say your mama do one thing or your papa do one thing, you just wind them up before you know you don't display some kind vexation, some kind level of aggression. Look at what he do against Erling Haaland. Fell him down. They called for a penalty. If not, they say VAR just supposed to turn out. So all those little pockets of errors, those are the reasons why people don't really give them that maximum accolades. Get so that's the one. Who are you to blame? Get so you blame the player. So maybe Tony Cascarino no see all those things. Well, at the end of the day, I just pray say make the Saliba calm nature rub off on Gabriel Magalhaes so that he will calm down, can they cool. These are my opinion. I don't know what you think about this Tony Cascarino and Gabriel Magalhaes saga. Let me know in the comment section. Our Chris Sutton said, don't come as I call it, and say Arsenal will defeat Everton 2-0 from the way they sit things together. Saying now what they expect, the Arsenal will win, because Arsenal won't come as I can avenge, and for the fact that Everton is coming to the Emirates Stadium, so it will be very, very easy for Arsenal to beat them again. So well, I will see them they talk now. I will see all Arsenal fans they pray for. We'll just be watching now whether it will happen like that. At the same time, Casemiro self come as I can talk say it is true, say them they 8 points behind the league leaders will be Arsenal again. So well, that is the reality. Say them will try all it takes to make sure say them bridge the gap between them and Arsenal, because themselves will try to win the title. As it stands now, I think we are just 14 games shy of getting the title. So depending on how we play our games, that will determine who will win the trophy. Remember what Pep Guardiola talk say Arsenal don't they play Europa League now, them don't they play Champions League. So no how people will drop on because fatigue will set in again. You can't travel to Germany and come back and play a league match 3 days later. Fatigue must enter you now, and you are for Champions League, you will play your best player. For Europa League round of 16, you will play your main players because you want to win the competition. Time will reach, you will choose one over the other. That's what we are expecting. Well, we'll just watch how all this drama going through. Even Damot Gallagher will be one of the former referees in the EPL. Don't come as I call it, say Saka should have had a penalty in the match we will play against Leicester. So what did that guy do? Southampton. What did Southampton do? Whether an accidental or not be accidental, whether I sleep or no sleep, that's not our business. The law is the law. It gets when you infringe on the player's ability to score a goal, it should be penalized. This is a former referee in the EPL. Come aside categorically, they tell us say this is what should have happened. We know happen again. So well, I believe the lessons will be learned. I just thank God say at the end of the day, it no affect the overall scoreline of the match. So that's my own prayer. So we'll just take them in good stride. We'll just face our next match. Hopefully, VAR no will disappoint us again. If people even they complain of the other way, then give ZH red card later. VAR advice when they give a red card, or later VAR can advise and they say better come on the red card. Like, don't understand. But it is what it is though. So away from that, Gabriel Agbonlahor don't come as I call the talk say Asensio is going to be a very, very good player for Arsenal. Say make Arsenal make sure they sign Marco Asensio of Real Madrid. I think he's going to be a free agent at the end of the season. He never agreed contract extension with Real Madrid. Barcelona are also interested in signing him. So I don't know how all these things will come into play. Get someone just to watch at the end of the season. I know Ateta likes him because for January Ateta be reason and say may come join us, but he didn't want to come and join us. So at the end of the day, he say he won't stay there. But now he say the contract extension he never really signed. And I remember when Ancelotti was asked the question, Ancelotti said he don't care if the guy won't join them or he don't want to join them. If he won't go, he don't want to go. He doesn't care. So at the end of the day, we'll see whether Ateta will sign this extension, because as Trossard they deputized for Martinelli, with somebody else to come and deputize for Saka. Saka can be playing 38 games in a season. It is a no-brainer. He needs a breather. He needs to rest. Also, he's human. So we'll just see how all this is going to pan out. However, Alan Shearer self don't come outside and talk the same thing way Damot Gallagher they talk, say Saka should have gotten a, like everybody's saying the same thing. Then what happened? Why sentiments when they attach to that VAR review of putting Southern do Saka? You get, you fall. It was a slip, I agree. It was accidental, I agree. But we don't see many accidental situations in this league. Every person go to fall down by mistake. You go to follow, in hand go touch ball, they go blow penalty. You get, and the person they fall down. If they fall down, what thing go to break him for? Don't be in hand. Yes, that in hand now go touch ball go touch in hand. They go still blow penalty. Like accidental incidents, slips, they are not recognized when the law is blind. The law is the law. You may not like it, but it is the law. Okay, so that's what I was expecting. But the referee can use, I don't know whether an emotional judgment, even the VAR himself can use that emotional sentiment and judgment, say okay, he slipped, therefore it was not intentional. But he infringed on the ability of an opponent to score a goal. So at the end of the day, it is what it is. I like as all the opponents, everybody see this thing with VAR to say it don't make sense, but we'll just let them go. About today, na the birthday of one of our community member, Oga Funshaw, aka Safoli. So today na his birthday. So Baba will say, may all the lines fall in place for you, and wish you all the best things life has to offer. Baba also send me thank you, say Sir CHUKS, and go flex. Get my birthday, I got your back, man. So Oga say, God bless you and thanks for your high level of generosity. God bless you in Jesus' name and inshallah. And not be lame, so get another of our community members, Simon Badu. Today is his birthday, so we'll celebrate it today and say may all lines fall in place for you. Also, I will wish you all the best things life has to offer. So enjoy your day today. Anything, anywhere we go, just buy anything, just tell them say me go pay, enjoy, get flex, get them out. So Steve Nicole of ESPN also come outside to talk about Trossard and Jorginho. So there'll be fantastic additions to Arsenal because they don't uplift Arsenal team. For the fact that they just come into Arsenal and went straight into the first 11, it shows how good a player they are. Yes, so by your talk plenty things about them, and I would say many people say don't they talk about them. People like Alan Shearer, people like Gareth Crooks of BBC, like so many people are talking about our new additions. It is one thing to sign a player, it's another thing for the player to break into the first 11. That shows how good the player is. And for the fact say Trossard is a utility player, is very versatile. They can play different levels of different positions. Now maybe we can hold them in high regard. So if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world.